Hello, I am the program manager of Emorad company. Today I want to talk a little about the company's style of activity, how things work, where does the user's money go, how to deposit, how to harvest, what are the benefits of the website, and other things that we will cover in this program. Our guest is the spokesperson of Emorad company, and we say hello to him.
Hello to all my friends who see me. I am at your service today to answer friends' questions about Emorad company.
Thank you. Well, time is short. What is the Emorad website? Please explain to us where Emorad came from.
Yes. I am at your service and I will explain it completely section by section. My friends, Emorad was formed from the place where many people lost their capital in the forex market. The market as a whole always belongs to capitalists and those who always profit, or people who have very high knowledge of the market. But they also do not have enough capital, and in the end it causes harm. People limit the influence of emotions or stress that the market brings to them. They may make a little profit at first, but over time they will lose their capital. Our team was like yours at first and did not have a positive growth trend. With the passage of time and the advancement of new technologies, we thought of designing an artificial intelligence that can make decisions without any of these problems and accurately and enter the market, act without emotion, and be familiar with all the rules. Emorad was created in 820 days, and we had 70 days of detailed tests that Emorad intelligence works properly. Finally, Emorad intelligence ended after 890 days, and it was built. In general, the basis of the formation of affairs is like this: that we were drawn to challenges during the construction, all of which I will present to you in the future.
Thank you for the complete explanation. After this question, I think that, like me, this question comes up in everyone's mind. How do these robots that you mentioned work? If possible, tell us about the knowledge of making robots.
It's true, I said in response to the previous question. But again, I will tell you in full. In general, we cannot say how it works, and it is already written. We have taught the basics to robots, and they themselves decide on the market conditions at the moment. If I want to explain the working conditions, if we only have a second, the Emorad robot analyzes for work, decides, and finally he makes a deal. And in the second they close this deal. In total, a transaction takes 2 seconds. Or rather, updating the price at this moment and updating at the next moment completes a puzzle. Regarding your question, a human cannot always do things regularly and follow all the rules for a successful transaction. Many investors may profit early on, but with one mistake, they lose their entire capital. But things are not like this. Each transaction is decided separately, and it does not act with emotion. We worked with Emorad like a growing child in these 3 years. For example, we taught him everything: experiences of people or books written on the market. We have taught Emorad books to increase economic intelligence and other books. And gradually we have developed Emorad to become a system for trading. Emorad can check news and market. To analyze, however, Emorad may not enter the transaction in some cases, because entering into this deal may be a bit risky for him.
The description is complete, and I think there is nothing at all for viewers who want to ask questions about this issue. Now, if someone likes this company and wants to invest, how should he register? Could you explain to his friends?
Registering in Emorad is very simple. You can register with an email in less than 5 minutes. All you have to do is enter the Emorad website at www.emorad.com. Click on registration in the above section and enter your information and complete the registration. The training teams have completely built these sections. You can see, which is fully explained to you.
Of course. The training is fully developed. My friends put the registration link at the top of this video, which you can see. But bear with us. The next question for you is that you have to answer the users. How much profit do robots make? Well, I registered. I also have some money. Now, how much Emorad robots will benefit me?
Be careful. That Emorad bots operate in many symbols. We cannot charge you more than a controllable amount per symbol. And in general, Emorad is limited to receive. And we add each section. We can receive money in a limited amount. You can see by visiting the website that we register each symbol with different contracts. And this value changes every day. It is better to enter the site and select an icon and enter the amount to view and see how much profit are you going to make. But the thing you should be careful about is when you register an appointment. For example, today you register a contract with an interest of 8% per month. At the end of the contract, you will be billed at the same rate. The contract is fixed until the end of the project.
But we have another question for you. How are deposits and withdrawals made on the website? How is it done?
I will fully explain the payment system how it works. By referring to the deposit section, you can check all the deposit sections. Fully created tutorials that you can watch. If you like so that the deposit is fully explained to you friends. We have created internal wallets where transfers are free. And you can make changes without commission. And avoid bank commissions. Deposits can be made at any time and there are no restrictions on deposits. But we have imposed a limit on withdrawals. Do not get into trouble with robots. See if the robot is active in an account. The account cannot reduce the balance because it causes to disrupt the performance of transactions and cause the lack of inventory to be unable to open a transaction. The robot will check the price in the first week. So we make withdrawals in 2 days or public holidays in history. Withdraw if you want. You must register a withdrawal request on weekends.
Thank you for being with us. And thank you for answering the users' questions about Emorad Company. If you have any questions that you think it has not been answered, you can ask our support team or comment here for us. Let us give you a complete explanation in other programs. The best for you.